Hi guys, Pete here, Rusty Rex. Yeah, this week you can see me do all the little stuff that I normally do off camera. Preparing parts, stuff like that. Polishing up spindles, things like that. So, please watch the video, please like and enjoy, and please subscribe. Enjoy. Right guys, box of parts. Let's see what we got. I haven't got a clue. How the hell do I get into it to start with? Was that seam? Nope. Down there. Oops. Would have the knife went into it. No. No. Not there. Yes, I know, buy a decent knife. Right. There's that bit. There's that bit. It's a really weird box. So, just rip it open. Well packaged. There's the first item. Rear wheel spindle with fairly tatty looking adjusters that have been painted black. Move that. Second item, front wheel spindle. Still doesn't have the washer on it, but it's front wheel spindle. Third item, and the main reason, is another rear wheel spindle with the chrome adjusters that need a bloody good clean. Yeah, that is just dirt like that. It's got the small spacer and the big spacer. Got the crown nut, which does undo. So, there's those. I don't know how well these are done up. Probably quite well. So, whole box of new parts. Speedo drive. Remember I said about some of them have no lumps on them. That one's got two. Some of them have one in the middle instead. Bolts free, thank goodness. We'll be changing that. Looks like it hasn't been greased in years. So we'll need greasing. Spindles will need cleaning. Does that work? Yeah. If you turn the insides, you can see that the shaft on the end turns, like that. So it does work. No cracks that I can see. The one on the 450 project is cracked. So, that spacer, the short one, looks like it's been chromed. It's covered in dirt, but it looks like it's been chrome plated. Which is a bonus. So, we will get on with that lot in a bit. So, means that now I've got all the parts that I need to put a back wheel onto a project bike. Thing is, now I don't have a project bike. It's one of them. It really is. It's like what you do. I've got the 450, but that's already got all those parts, so yeah. Next. Okay guys, new M7 nut and bolt in there. There's the other one. I'll drop it. But I've got a bit of dirt on that bolt. There's the one that looks like the chain quarter. That's the adjuster. But we'll do the same thing. Don't need to adjust them up yet because it's one of them. Put that into there. Takes forever because the bolt's so long. My fault. And then we have a pair of wheel adjusters with new bolts. That's a bargain. That would have cost me probably 20 quid. The bolts are about a fiver, and the nuts. So I've still got one more nut and one more bolt. But these ones, as you can see, they look rather tatty. I think they're aftermarket. So they look a bit thin there, on that end. But I will clean those up and I'll paint them black and use them on a project. The other thing is, they've got the increments marked along the top. The originals don't have that. They have it back here. These ones have also got that, but they've also got the increments along there. These ones have just got them up here. So, makes me think they're aftermarket, those ones. Right guys, I'll try and record this, don't know how well you'll be able to see it. Scotch-Brite wheel, spindle, not the cleanest spindle in the world. Nuts rather rusty looking on it, we'll sort that out as well. Already looking a lot better. That's hot. I'm going to put that on there for a minute. Polishing the heads of the bolts, the shaft, just to make them look better, add a bit of protection. And they've got a bit more of a shine to them. Right, those are all still hot, guys. But as you can see, they are nice and shiny compared to what they were. I don't have to pick these up without burning myself. But yeah, they are a lot better than they were. Yes, ouch. And they're still warm as well. Yeah, it's a lot better than they were. But I've still got to clean up with some Autosol. Wheel spacers also came up quite well, but they do need a, like I say, going over with the Autosol just to remove the remnants of any of that polish that I put on there, because it's like thick, it's not actually a polish, it's an abrasive, but it's also a polish, if you know what I mean. And yes, it does leave a residue behind. Right guys, that's what we have now. All those rusty parts have turned into this lot so far. You can see there the black adjusters, the ones that are really bad, I just sprayed them. And with the bolts, they actually look quite nice. Or with that one's got a bolt, the other one I've got ordered some bolts for. These are the chrome ones that were well, not painted, they were just grubby. You got the large wheel spacers. That one didn't come out great, but it's better than it was. Yeah, of course, you had the chrome short one, which is quite nice. The spindles, I've got to do the threads on that one, I forgot. But yeah, you can see that's come out a lot better. These two, can see the heads are nice and shiny. I could clean up the middles with a wire brush, but I tend to leave them for a better definition. Cleaned all the threads up, you can see they're nice and shiny. So, the only things to do now are the two nuts. Small ones for the front spindle, big ones for the back spindle, and the speedo drive. Right guys, let's remove that bolt, because we're not going to need that. And you can guarantee there's dirt in there. It's a little M5 bolt. That can go to one side because we're not going to use it again. Now I've given it a wipe over with some hand sanitizer. Believe me, a lot of the parts that I use aren't nice parts when they start off. That's well and truly on there. So I'm going to go over that with a bit of Scotch-Brite. Right guys, that bit's all been sprayed and lacquered. See, masked off the centre bit, that piece there, and that ring there. So it didn't get spray in the middle of it. So it's been spray painted silver, lacquered, and that's all one colour. Right guys, just re-grease that, put the insert back in. I'll see if I can do this and show you. I'll have to hold the phone, but if I now turn that, and that end turns easily. See, oh no, you can't see it. See, now if I, where is it? If I turn that, then maybe you can see that turning. So yeah, all works. Fresh grease in it. It will have a skim more in a bit. Right guys, I'm going to call it a day there. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It does help out immensely. And take care guys.